If you are wondering if we have AI features available on Google Pixel 11, then the answer is yes. We have a lot of different AI tools and system AI features that are simply available on Google Pixel 11. And some of these features are just built within apps and settings. And in some other cases, you have to use specific apps in order to, of course, access those AI features. Like, for example, we have, of course, access to Gemini, which is nothing really unusual. Gemini is available on pretty much every modern Android smartphone, but here we have access to that as well. It works pretty much the same way. But in addition to that, we can find, let's say, some assistance features in the phone app. So if we go to the phone app settings, over here we can find live translate option, which is definitely an AI feature, which allows you to translate text, phone calls, and media. Over here you can choose the source language or languages that you want to use on your phone and your target language. So there is that. There is also take a message, which I'm not sure if it is actually AI. It's nowhere stated that it is AI, but it creates real-time transcripts. So I think there is some sort of AI used over here. So there's another feature that you can consider to be AI. But besides that, we can also find, for example, the Rambler in the Gboard. And Rambler is like an advanced voice-to-text option or voice input option. So normally here we have the voice input, and with the Rambler, if you turn it on, then the way how it works is first you say your sentences out loud, whatever you want to convert to a text. So your speech is converted into a text. And then once you are done, you can tap on this check on the right side, and there we go. My whole speech is now converted into the text. And the reason why it is more advanced is not only because it cleans up the voice input in real time, but it also removes those filler words such as and so on and so forth. So whenever you think about something while speaking, of course, you sometimes make different sounds. Or if you make some corrections mid-sentence, if you made an error during your speech and you corrected yourself, then, that is going to be fixed for you. And not only that, it has a couple of additional options and features that are used. But generally speaking, if you want to make sure that you use the Rambler, or if you have it available on your phone, you can just go to settings of the keyboard. And here in voice typing, you can find the Rambler. Now, besides that, you can, of course, go to the camera, and you can find lots of different features in here as well. Like we have the Magic Capture, which uses AI to record a video and take pictures at the same time. So this is here the Magic Capture. So you can give it a try, but also if we go to camera settings, we can find lots of different AI tools, like let's say framing hints over here. We have guided frame, camera coach. Here is the auto edit for the Magic Capture. And we have the automatic best take. So as you can see, lots of different features integrated in the camera app. And besides that, we have, of course, circle to search, which is also pretty standard, but generally speaking, you should be able to find it in settings. I think I actually have it disabled. So here in system settings, we can find circle to search. There we go. And then you can just press and hold your finger on the home, on the navigation bar or the home button to activate it. And I'm pretty sure if you go through all of these different settings, you can find even more stuff. So for example, here in wallpaper, we have live effects, which uses AI to create a live effect based on an image of your choice. We also have AI wallpaper, so we have a little prompt which we can slightly customize, and then based on that prompt, a wallpaper is going to be generated. I think I cannot even count all of these different AI tools that we have available on this phone. There's so much of them. But generally speaking, I was hoping that we can find all of these AI tools by just searching for AI, but no. But another thing that I can think of that uses AI is, for example, here in notifications, we have notification summaries and organizer. And here it is stated that it uses AI to do those things for notifications. And I'm pretty sure you can find even more stuff on this phone that uses AI. Generally speaking, if you go through all of these options in settings over here, then you can definitely spot what is AI and what is not. I think there's one more, for example, here option in sound and vibration. Like, for example, we have this clear calling option, which actually I believe uses AI to reduce background noises during a call. So yeah, every time you go through these settings, you can find lots of different options that you can probably consider to be AI. So definitely, if you are a fan of AI, you will be definitely fan of this phone as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.